In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see previous Discord servers you joined. If you've ever left a server and later wanted to remember what it was, Discord doesn't show a simple in-app history. The reliable way to get that information is to request a copy of your account data directly from Discord. This includes a record of servers you've been in before, along with other account details. Start by opening Discord on your desktop. Look to the bottom left corner of the app, next to your profile picture and username. You'll see the small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that to open your personal settings panel. We'll be doing everything from here. Inside Settings, scroll through the left-hand sidebar until you find the section called Data and Privacy. This is where Discord keeps all the controls related to how your information is handled. Go ahead and open that page. It's designed to give you transparency and control over your data, and it's the right place for this task. On the Data and Privacy page, look for the button that says Request Data. This is the key option. When you click Request Data, you're telling Discord to compile a complete archive of the information they store about your account. That typically includes account details, messages, and activity metadata, and importantly for our purpose, a list of the servers you've joined. It's the official, comprehensive way to retrieve your past server history. Click the Request Data button. After you do, Discord will begin preparing your archive. This process can take some time, depending on the size of your account and how long you've been using the platform. Once the archive is ready, Discord will send it to you using the contact method associated with your account. You don't need to keep the app open while it's being prepared. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Make sure you're signed into the correct Discord account before you request the data, especially if you use more than one. This archive can be large and may take hours or even a few days to arrive, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. When you receive your data, treat it as sensitive information, because it's a detailed snapshot of your account history, and that's all there is to it. By using the Request Data feature in Discord's data and privacy settings, you can retrieve a full record that includes the previous servers you've joined. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you track down exactly what you're looking for.